Hello guys, today I made a moving guide for you. When you're going to immigrate to the United States and you have a dental degree from your own country and obviously you want to practice dentistry here, so when to start, where to start, what to do and how to succeed. This is a guide. It consists of 10 steps. So the step number 1, practice your English. Practice from your original country. Start as early as you can. In your original country, you can take courses which will be taught by native speakers. So basically, they will be able to explain to you in your native language, English grammar. And I think it's way better than once you move here, you'll be able to take courses only that are taught by Americans. And I think it's kind of harder. It's a different technique to learn from Americans, like the language, than from native speakers. The other tip is how to learn English is watch American movies. Watch them with subtitles because sometimes you don't understand the word and you can read it in subtitle, and if you still don't know this word, you can open a dictionary and translate it. Anyway, let's go to the next step. Step number 2, go online to the DMV page and upload a driver's license manual. So you can start to preparing for your driver's license test, because in the United States you basically cannot do anything without driving a car. So if you learn the driver's license manual, once you get here you'll be able to pass the exam, and then you can practice driving a little bit and pass another test for the driving license, and this will kind of help you a lot. Then step number 3. This step is to order certified translation of your dental degree, your dental diploma. You can order it in the United States. I think it's kind of better. Do it here. I will link in the description of the video the link of the agency that I used, and you can use any other agency as well. But get your diploma translated. You can also translate it yourself. Sometimes ECE will accept it, but I would still keep the translate certified, because you will need it later in the way when you'll be applying to the programs. Anyway, step number 4. Open the state requirements for the dental assistants in the state where you're going to practice. To work as a dental assistant first, not as a dentist. So I would open the link in the description of my video, choose the state where you're going to move and look on the requirements. For example, like I moved to Nebraska and the requirements were to take coronal polishing, radiology and CPR courses. So right away I went to the local dental schools websites. The sooner you do, the best, if you already know the dates when you'll be in states, and just register for the courses, so you already kind of will start doing something. And once you have these courses, will be step number 5, update your resume. So write a nice resume and add these courses to your resume. That way the employer will know that you are eligible to work as a dental assistant in this state. Then step number 6, apply for a job. In the description of the video, I listed the main job websites which you can use for the dental assistant job search. And you can also find a job as a dental technician, which I did kind of too. You can look in this video. I explain how I've done that. And also, if you're going to move to Florida, you can look for the dental hygienist jobs, but you'll have to take a test first. Anyway, step number 7, send your diploma to the WES, or better, send them to ECE. This agency is way easier, is more acceptable by the foreign trained dental programs, like by Keefe. So for ECE, I have a separate video how to apply to ECE or WES. It's up to you. Anyway, link will be in the description of the video. Step number 8, in your spare time, and you can do this concurrently with all other steps, prepare for INBDE. Without this test, you won't be able to apply through Keefe. So I personally used Mental Dental YouTube channel to prepare for this test. I'm gonna link it in the description of the video. You can use it if it helps you. The step number 9. Once ready, schedule your INBDE test. Try to take it before March. They usually give you a 6-month window where you're able to schedule, and if you schedule it before March, you'll be able to receive your results, because it takes 2 to 3 weeks to receive them, to get them, and you will be able to apply early in the cycle. It's important for some schools. Not all schools prefer early applicants, but such schools as UAC, UAB, and some more, they prefer early applicants, and it's better to have your INBDE early than later. I personally applied in the middle of the cycle, and I don't think it affected me in any way, but unless you're interested in these particular schools. Anyway, step number 10, the last step. Once you're done with your INBDE, take TOEFL test and apply to the advanced standing dental programs. The link I posted in the description of my video. I hope this video helps. Please ask me any questions in the comments. I will be more than happy to try to answer and do my best to answer them. Like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, see you soon guys. Bye!